Okay, we are here in Casa
Casa
Gorordo.
Gorordo. The house was built in the
The house was built
mid-19th
in Turin
century
by
by
Alejandro
Alejandro
Reyes
Reyes
y Rosales.
and bought by Juan Isidro de Gorordo, a Spanish merchant in 1863. Four generations of the Gorordo family lived in this house, including Juan Gorordo, first Filipino businessman from 1910-1932. Acquired in 1980 by the Ramon Abrites Foundation Incorporated.
It was restored and later opened as a public museum. Casa Gordo was then declared a National Historical Landmark by virtue of National Historical Institute Board Resolution Number 4 dated September 24, 1991.
1991.
Let's go inside.
Inside the wala na to.
Dara.
Kaman ay picture frame, mali siya ang iyang kuan, kaya ang original niya nga copy. Mala siya iyang now. Dapat yung itawo oh. Nita din eh. Kanta din eh, naikabaw. Naikabaw oh, nagdilita na no.
Hmm.
Ano yung ito diri? Kuwantag ka ng kuwan. Kanina. Sa ganini tawag ani.
Ayagan.
Nayagana, naymigo.
Unsa ni siya?
Namani.
Dito ba?
Ambot lang. Hanapin yung ani. Para unsa ni. Patay tao. Yan kanina, sabihin ani. Mga yun kay ilahang mga butang diri. Ay, kamo na ko. Ayaganan ka ng ingani ba? Sa bugas. Sa kanan. Yan apa yung ingani.
Stop na. Okay, the Casa Gorordo Museum is a 19th century lifestyle museum and a centerpiece project of the Cultural Heritage Program of the Ramon Abrites Foundation. The house itself was built in 1850s and it was originally owned by the Alejandro Reyes Rosales. It was bought by Juan Isidro Gorordo, a Spanish merchant, in 1863. Four generations, Gordo, the first Filipino bishop. The girth of the structure is evidenced by the massive stone walls in the lower portion of the house. Made of coral, there are good protection from fire and typhoons. Huge posts of Molave extend from the basement to the support of tile roof.
As you can see here, the encyclopedia of the Casa Gorordo. Maraming sa tagamay.
Malamin sa tanin yung gamay. Wah! Sakit na. Piano. Old piano.
Old piano.
Si Gordo Obispo de Cebu. Si Monsignor Juan Dita.
Juan Isidro Gorordo.
Obispo de Cebu.
Sungka.
Naisungka, kumpleto pa ka ilang kuan. Sungka nila, mga unique ayo. May mga lingkuranan. Tapay ilahang dining table. Then, patiri ilang kuan. Nadiri ilang kwarto. Ang kwarto o. Pit kay ilang kwarto ay. Tapay ilahang dining area.
The dining table of narrow wood is the focal piece in this section of the house. It is complemented by 8 chairs made of balayo wood.
Mm.
Here.
Mm.
Then, a woven rattan strips. Family affairs dominated social life in the Philippines well in the 20th century. This area was important as it was celebrations such as birthdays, baptism, pare sa ato.
Mm.
Kung nilang lugar.
Yan, mao ni ilahang hall sa dining room, mao ni
Ano siya sa kanang kitchen.
high kitchen nila ni, mao ni sila. Binilang
Typically,
mga
it
gamit.
was located in a separate
Mao ni ilahang mga kuan. Nilang kitchen dali tanan.
dirty kitchen.
Healthy kitchen nila. Napailahang mga kompleto pa kailang mga gamit. Magluto sa tanin nyo na. Dapat diri. Sa diri. Napa jud ilang kaguran ay. Kompleto pa kayo. Kompleto pa kayo ilang kaguran. Hmm?
May camera.
Ay, napay CR.
Napa jud ilang CR. Unique ka ilang CR ay. Mano ilang CR. Ngit-ngit lang kaayo kay di makita ilang kuan.
This one is the banyo or bathroom.
Bathroom.
The house
Banyo.
is a luxury of a few families enjoyed in the 1800s and early 1900s.
Unique ka ilahang banyo ay. Same the more common detached banyos of the time. However, those an opulent household. Hala, nindot kay ilahang banga. Mga unique na kuan ay.
Mga kalis pila, wag kasari.